here. One guy got into the back seat of a police car and said, "Hey, you people was want to buy some dope."
Yeah.
There was 2 officers undercover, and he forced them to buy some from him, and then they took him to jail.
God,
He said the dumbest criminal.
The dumbest
Yeah,
criminal.
like, you know, they were trying to sell to the officers.
That's pretty stupid.
They were like, "You don't really want to do this." Yeah, y'all, I got what y'all need. I give you double up and everything. Well, he gave him a double up, and they gave him a double up. He got 12.
so they try to talk him out of it.
This morning, under the rising sun, 3 little birds upon my doorstep, singing this song, a melody pure and true. And this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing. This morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds upon my doorstep, singing sweet, sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Oh, this is my message to you, yeah. Don't worry about a thing. Don't you even worry.
Now, Chuck, you know that ain't even the song, right? You know that's not the same.
Listen,